guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sorting, washing, drying, and folding clothes. So as you can see, I have collected all of the clothes from my clothes, my husband's clothes, my son, and my daughter, and I just combined them in one basket. As you can see, it's running over. I normally wash clothes 2 to 3 times a week just to try to, keep up with things around here. Sometimes I get overwhelming, sometimes I get behind. But what I like to do is separate my whites and my colors, and my husband's work clothes, I separate them and wash them to themselves. So that's a little all by itself. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys continue watching this video into the end.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. Patience low, think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
When I do sort my clothes upstairs, which I normally don't, but I sometimes do, I like to put them back in the basket according to how I wash them. So I put my husband's uniform first because that's normally my last load, and I take a piece of clothing from the next load that I'm going to be washing, just to kind of separate, one load from the next load. And I just go on with that process, because with having upstairs in your home, it's a lot trying to take load after load after load up and down the steps. So this is just one of my convenient ways that I like to do things. I'm in a really good mood today. I'm in a laundry mood today, and I'm super excited. Why? Because I'm doing laundry. Don't pay me no mind. I feel like I got laughing gas today. I've been like in a cheerful, jolly, go happy mood like all day today. So nevertheless, you saw me sort my clothes out, whites, colors, and my husband work clothes. So now it's time to wash them. So I'm here in my washroom recording for you guys today. And you know what? With no further ado, because I don't have nothing else to do but to do laundry. So let's jump right into this video.
What if you were gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. You and me try to explain the way I feel. Let this be, it's not enough. Can we be real for a minute? You and me, how do we fix this broken hearts now, baby? Yeah. You and me, I can't give up, you can't back down. You and me, I can't keep both feet on the ground. But you and me, we can't just go back to the start again. 'Cause it's not easy, it never is. I can't go back, I don't know any more than this. You're pulling me down like a gravity, so I won't let you into my galaxy. Man, thanks for the ride, but I wanna fly on my own. When the smoke clears into reality, I know it hurts, but I gotta leave. But I want you to know how I feel.
Certain pieces of clothing I do not dry, like my bras for one. It may be like a Pacific shirt that may have like special writing or sequins or something on it, or something with lace, like my daughter's bathing suit here. I don't particularly dry those. I allow them to air dry. And with that being said, if I don't hang it on a hanger, if it's something small like this, I just hang it from my laundry side, and I allow it to dry that way.
I can't go back, I don't know any more than this. You're pulling me down like a gravity, so I won't let you into my galaxy. Man, thanks for the ride, but I wanna fly on my own. When the smoke clears into reality, I know it hurts, but I gotta leave. But I want you to know how I feel. You're pulling me down like a gravity, so I won't let you into my galaxy. Man, thanks for the ride, but I wanna fly on my own. When the smoke clears into reality, I know it hurts, but I gotta leave. But I want you to know how I feel. In a dream, I let you back into my life, yeah.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh,
not only do I just wash my husband's work clothes by itself, but I have Pacific laundry detergent that I use just for his work uniforms, and that is because he make boxes for Amazon. So if you have any Amazon packages coming to your house, 9 times out of 10, my husband done made it. But anyways, and with that, he comes home with glue and starch from the boxes that be on his uniforms, and machine oil be on his uniforms. So I use that because they have a tendency to cut the grease, to cut the starch, to cut the glue. And I also use the laundry sanitizing stuff, like I sanitize his uniforms. And I also use the Unstoppable Old Spice bees. Oh my god, they smell absolutely amazing. Manly but amazing. And with that being said, his uniforms always come out clean and fresh, and I just absolutely love it.
Me when you're lonely, I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the old me. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the old me. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling.
Now that I have washed all of my clothes, which was 3 loads, not too bad. My laundry routine, it usually changes from like week to week. Like, it varies. It could be 5 and 6 loads this week. Next week it be like 1 or 2. But anyway, nevertheless, I am done washing and drying all of my clothes. Now let me take you upstairs to my bedroom so that we can get these clothes all folded up and put up, because laundry is not done until the clothes is folded up and put up. Let's go.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So I then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different.
All of my laundry is finally done, washed, dried, and folded up. So I'm gonna call the members of this household to put their own clothes up, because that part I don't do. I wash, I dry, I fold, but I do not put their clothes up. Even down to my 4-year-old, like, she know how to put her own clothes up. Like, I train her well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my weekly laundry routine. And like I stated before, my laundry routine, it changed weekly. So next week it may be, I don't know, we'll be on vacation. So with that being said, I'm gonna have a little extra more clothes next week. Okay, so anyways, I love you guys, and to all of my subscribers out there, thank you, a big thank you. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure your bell is on. That way you won't miss an upload. Until the next time, until the next video, I love you guys.